Today we'll be cooking sauteed Malabar spinach. This is a great recipe for fall dishes. Let's take a look at the ingredients we'll need for this recipe. First, you'll need 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. You'll need 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You'll need 1/2 of a medium sweet onion, thinly sliced. You'll need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 teaspoons of grated fresh ginger. Finally, you'll need about 1 pound of mature Malabar spinach. First thing you'll want to do is heat a small saute pan or skillet on medium heat. You want to make sure that your butter is either cold, or if it's room temperature, you'll need a spoon, and you'll want to slowly melt the butter over the heat. You want to be careful not to burn the butter. Once the butter is fully melted, you're going to add the remaining ingredients, and this is going to create the base for the sauteed spinach. Pay close attention to the heat and make sure that you don't burn the butter. You're going to go ahead and add in the nutmeg. You're going to get a nice nutty aroma. You want to mix that in with the butter, and then you're going to add in the lemon juice. This is basically making a nutmeg vinaigrette. Once this is well mixed, you're going to put it into a container to the side and reserve it for later. So for the rest of the recipe, you'll want to take a large skillet. Again, starting out on medium heat. And we're going to do the next step. You're going to heat your olive oil. On my range, this is probably number 6 or number 7. Once the oil's hot, you're going to add in your onions. Then you're going to add in your garlic. And then the ginger. For this technique, you're going to sweat the vegetables. That means cooking them slowly over medium-high heat. You're going to get all the aromatics out of the ginger and the garlic and the onion. You want to make sure you mix all those flavors, ingredients together, and let that cook for a minute or 2. So now once you've cooked down your vegetables, the onion should be a little translucent. You're going to get ready to add in your spinach. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit so that we get a nice saute method on the spinach. And since this Malabar spinach is so hearty, we're going to add it in and then start to toss it with a pair of tongs. This is going to help incorporate the flavors. Make sure you get some of the olive oil on all the spinach, and this will help the spinach to cook evenly. So this will take anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes depending on the size of your pan and how much spinach you have in. Once the spinach begins to wilt, you're going to want to have your serving dish nearby. Continue to stir frequently. Now the spinach is about ready to serve. You can see that it's fully wilted. Again, Malabar spinach is a little heartier than normal baby spinach, and so it's still going to have a really nice body to it, and it won't be as wilted, so it'll have a nice bit of weight or body to the spinach, which makes it a great side dish. It's really filling. So to finish it, you're going to add in your nutmeg brown butter. Going to toss that around and coat it evenly. Traditionally, the nutmeg helps to even out some of the bitterness in the spinach and gives it a really nice nutty flavor, along with the ginger. It gives it some of the Asian flavors of Asian cuisine, where traditionally Malabar spinach is used in East Asian dishes. So once you have your serving platter, I'm just going to portion the spinach. Make sure you turn off your flame. Onto the serving platter. If you want to do this in a side dish, or if this is a family style dinner for the holidays, go ahead and spoon out the ingredients. Make sure you get all the onion, ginger, and garlic out of there. And there we have sauteed Malabar spinach.